Assignment 11. Grammar. Adjectives. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you're having a good time and learning a lot through the videos and online classes. I hope that you are watching your e-lessons as they're very informative and useful, and your e-classes as well. And also you are doing your home task properly. Today we will do grammar, and grammar, a very common and easy topic, which is adjective. So let's start with our sight words. So you know that you have to repeat after me. So do repeat after me. The first sight word is qualitative. Qualitative. Quantitative. Possessive. Demonstrative. Interrogative. Participles. Compound. Comparative. And the last one is superlative. These are the sight words and you have to repeat after me. Okay? Alright. So do you know what is a noun? As we have already learned what is a noun, so you must know what is a noun. So what do you think are adjectives? Do you know the kinds of adjectives? Do you have any idea about comparative or superlative decrees? There are so many questions in your mind when you look at the word adjective, and inshallah we will try to answer these questions in the video. So first of all, we will start with noun. What is a noun? Names of creatures, places, things, ideas, feelings, qualities, etc. Means name of anything is a noun. Okay, noun, you must have heard of famously, noun is a name of person, place and thing, right? So basically nouns are the names of things or places or ideas or people, creatures and feelings, etc. Okay, so why are we discussing nouns although our topic is adjective? Because they are connected, right? Now I'll tell you what are adjectives. Adjectives are the words that describes the noun, right? You can say these are the describing words. You can also say it gives more information about the noun. So basically adjectives are the words that we use to describe the nouns. If you look at the examples, right? First example is David is a dependable person. Okay, dependable is your adjective here. Now there's one more thing, that adjectives can come before the noun and they can come after the noun. Alright, So it depends upon that how you're using it. It can come before and it can come after the noun as well. So in this sentence, dependable person. So person here is referred here. So it is coming before. Okay? If you look at the next example, Ruba is very kind. Now it's referring to Ruba, but it's coming at the end, so it has come after the noun. We have more examples. Both are hard-working dancers. Right? Hardworking. So it is coming before the dancers. So we say that the adjective has come before. Ruba's dancing is better. Right? Better. After. Okay? So it's not necessary that it will come before the noun or it will come after the noun. It can come in both ways. It can come before and it can come after the noun as well. So now there is an exercise given in your assignments as well as in your books, right? So in this assignment, exercise, what you have to do is that underline the adjective in the given sentences, right? I'm going to do the first one for you. Ralph is a Swede who is married to a French citizen. Okay, so we have to underline the adjectives here. So Swede here and French here are the adjectives. Which kind of adjective? That we will learn inshallah in the video. Okay. Okay, now we will move towards the kinds of adjectives. There are many kinds of adjectives, right? Alright. We have qualitative, quantitative, possessive, demonstrative, interrogative, proper, compound adjectives. Okay, all right. Then now I'm going to show a table to you. On your screens you can see a table in which all the descriptions are given, right? We're going to explain from there. Alright, qualitative is of quality, right? It describes the shape, size, color, manner, state, etc. Right? It is describing that how that thing is, like what is the shape of that thing, what is the size, what is the color of that thing. Right? I like pink roses. So pink is your adjective of quality, right? So I have two examples for you. She came up with unique ideas. Unique is what? A kind of manner, right? So it is also what? Qualitative. He gave me a pleased look. So pleased here is a happy look, right? It's kind of a state, right? So it is what? Qualitative. So qualitative basically refers to the quality of a thing, whether it refers to a shape or a size or its manner or a state or color, anything includes in it. She's a tall girl. Tall is her quality. So it's a qualitative adjective. Next we have quantitative adjective. Quantitative, as you can tell, is related to the quantity of a thing. It answers how much and how many, right? For example, we have about 20 students here. So 20 here is your quantitative adjective. I have a few tickets still left with me. A few here is your quantitative adjective. So basically, when we are talking about a quantity of something, right, that is our quantitative adjective. Next we have possessive. It shows possession, right? That thing belongs to that person. Miss Pasha is our new teacher. Our here is the possessive adjective. Your exercises books are kept on the shelf. Your here is what? Your possessive adjective, right? So it's referring to the possession, that you possess that thing, you own that thing. Okay. Then we have demonstrative. Demonstrative point out or identify nouns, right? For example, these mangoes are sweet, right? Those girls are pretty. These are used for plural, and this and that are used for singulars. Interrogative. Interrogatives are used for asking questions, usually followed by a noun, right? So basically, interrogative, you can clearly see it is related to questions, right? So the question words are included in those. Which pen is yours? So which here is your interrogative adjective. Whose books are you reading, right? Whose is here again your interrogative adjective. Then we have proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. For example, Pakistan. Pakistani mangoes are sweet. So here Pakistani, because it is formed from the proper noun Pakistan, right? That is called a proper adjective, right? So basically proper adjectives are formed from the proper nouns. For example, I gave you an example earlier. Ralph is a Swede who is married to a French lady. Swede and French, they both are proper adjectives because they have been taken from proper nouns. France, French, Sweden, Swede. Okay, so these are the types of adjectives. Now exercise B. You have to identify the adjectives in the given sentences and state their kind. I'll do the first one for you. This town has withstood many fierce battles. So here we are talking about battles. So fierce is describing the battle. And it's a kind of a quality, that what kind of a thing, how they were. So it is what? Qualitative adjective. Okay? Alright, now we will move towards participles as adjectives. So do you know what participles are? Right? Okay, when we add ing, ed or en, these are participles, right? There are two kinds of participles, right? Present participle and past participle. When we want to make a present participle, we make it by adding ing with the verb, right? When we want to make a past participle, we add ed or en with verb. Okay, I'm going to show you examples, right? I watched an interesting film last night. Interesting film. Now, interesting is describing the film. So, it is our adjective, right? Participle, present participle, because we are having ing as adjective. There was broken glass all over the floor, right? So, glass is described as broken. right? So it is what? A past participle used as an adjective. Okay, all right. Let me tell you some more about participles. Okay, present participle of a verb is used as an adjective to show an existing state, all right. So present participle of a verb as an adjective can often show an existing state or action that is still going on. Means continuity, right? So present participles as adjectives can show what? An existing state or action that is still going on. Whereas past participle can be used as an adjective to often show an action that is complete, that has already completed, right? So you can see the difference between present and past participles, right? So present participles are for existing state, action that is still going on, and past ones are for the ones that have been completed. Okay, I'll give you an example for present and for past both, right? The exciting children were quite happy with their decision, right? Exciting, we are talking about present participle as an adjective, right? Children. So children are how? They're exciting. So we say it's a present participle. The police claim that they have recovered the stolen goods. So stolen here is the past participle and it is used as an adjective to show the goods. How they were stolen, right? Okay, now we move towards our exercise C. Okay. In this exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with suitable participles of verbs given in the brackets, right? Words are given in the brackets, you have to put the suitable participles of verbs. I will do the first one for you. I have just received a very, we have a blank, in bracket it's puzzle, bit of news, right? So what do you think? Puzzled or puzzling bit of news? It's puzzling. I have just received a very puzzling bit of news. Okay, all right, now that's the end of part 1, right? So inshallah in part 2, till then, Allah Hafiz.